Well, hello there. Welcome back to Lucore Automotive. Today we are on yet another road trip. Today we are road tripping to go pick up a truck that we don't need. This is a really, really bad decision, but it could be awesome. Oh, and it's snowing again. Yeah. Alright, so in some of the sketchiest winching I've ever done, we are going to winch this truck onto this trailer. Unfortunately, as you can see, this truck has 2-inch spacers in the front, which kick the wheels out a little too far to be comfortable on this deck. So we're going to do some slightly sketchy winching, and it's also like a 40 to 500 pound truck, thereabouts, and it's a 5,000 pound winch, so yeah. Where there's a will, there's a way. Full send towing. It's on. And made it almost all the way to the back of the trailer. So, yeah, there we go. It's a bit sketchy. Good news is it's a cold, snowy night out. So, hopefully there won't be anybody on the road. And, yeah, get this back to the shop as quickly and safely as possible. And then, who knows? So, don't know if you can hear this, but that is the sound of freezing rain. So in addition to snowing, we have now transitioned in central Ohio fashion to freezing rain. Yay. Okay, so because it is not safe, I'm not going to do much monologuing here while I'm driving. As you can see, it is still snowing. The roads have not been touched, so it is a bit slippery. I also have a gigantic truck behind me on a trailer that's not happy about being back there. So, this is all you're gonna see for this trip. Hopefully, there's more to this story and more to this video. If not, everybody, I love you. Well, as you can see, I made it back. As you also see, there's not any snow anymore, because this is Ohio, and snow's overrated nowadays, I guess. So anyway, here is what we purchased. This is a 1992 Chevy Silverado with a 5.3 liter LS under the hood. It is a cast iron block aluminum head motor. As you can tell, it has a turbo ski poking out of the hood. According to this, it's a Turbo T76, and then it's got V-bang clamp back to a gigantic exhaust there on the hood. It is powered, controlled by a FiTech LSX setup, which is awesome. It's gonna be fun. Has an NV3500 5-speed manual transmission behind it. It is a 2-wheel drive converted truck. So, lots of cool parts, lots of cool potential. What we're going to do with this, we really honestly have no idea. It came available on Facebook Marketplace, and somebody sent it to us as a, hey, should I buy this kind of thing? And then they obviously shouldn't have bought it. And then I went to lunch, and then we decided to buy it. So, I don't know. We'll see. Now, we do know a lot of people in the LS power world. If you've watched any of our videos, typically speaking, LS powered stuff is not usually what we specialize in. We're more of the true old school stuff. But it's undeniable the amount of power you can make out of a 5.3, especially with a turbo on it. Now, as you can see, we have the rollback on the back of this thing at the moment. And it's got some flat tires and some some issues. So we are going to load it on the rollback and get it in the shop, charge the battery, and we are going to see if we get this thing to fire up and behave itself and start figuring some things out with this thing. No promises on what happens or what becomes of this thing at this point. It's just a good bad decision, which we've been doing a lot of lately. So anyway, there's our new, I guess we'll call it acquisition. Maybe, I don't even want to put it project yet. It's just an acquisition at this point in time. We'll decide whether or not it's a project later on. So if you're interested in this kind of a thing, let us know. What should we do with it other than sell it to you? Because we're not selling it. Should we part it out? Maybe put this 5.3 in the 65 C10 shop truck? Should we make this thing run right in this truck and just kind of run it around town? Should we super stealthy it and just kind of go hurt feelings? Maybe drop it on the ground and do kind of more of the hot rod style stuff? Should we? Yeah, we can do really whatever we want to do. It's up in the air at this point in time. So let us know what you think. As always, we appreciate you watching. Please do click that subscribe button and drop us a comment. Like button, really appreciate that. Helps YouTube know that you like what we do. And we'll continue this saga another day. Maybe it'll be snowing next time again. But hey, it's beautiful again in Ohio. Whatever. We'll see you next time.